In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar effortlessly and efficiently. This feature is incredibly useful for collaborating with coworkers, organizing family events, or just ensuring everyone in your group is on the same page. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that owns the calendar you'd like to share. This is important because access permissions are linked directly to the account that owns the calendar. Once you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find a list of your calendars under the My Calendars section. Hover your cursor over the calendar you wish to share. You should see an icon with 3 dots appear. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, select Settings and Sharing. This option will guide you to the area where you can adjust the sharing settings to your preference. Now, with the settings open, scroll down until you see the section labeled Share with Specific People or Groups. This section is key to fine-tuning who can see or edit your calendar events. To add someone, click on the plus Add People and Groups button. Here, you'll enter the email address of the person or group with whom you want to share your calendar. After entering the email address, it's time to set the permission level for your invitee. Google Calendar provides several permission options, and it's crucial to choose the one that best fits your needs. The first option is See Only Free/Busy, which will keep the details of your events private while merely indicating whether you're available or not. Next, you have See All Event Details, which allows them to view every detail of your events. If you want the person to help manage events, you can choose Make Changes to Events. And if you want them to have full control, including changing sharing settings, select Make Changes and Manage Sharing. Once you've set the permissions, simply click Send. The person you've shared the calendar with will receive an email invitation, making it easy for them to access your calendar in just a few clicks. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully shared your Google Calendar with others. This feature is great for improving communication and ensuring everyone stays organized and informed about shared events or meetings. Remember to revisit these settings if you ever need to adjust the permissions or unshare your calendar in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.